Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the alarm icon, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we can set up our alarm clock by tapping on the plus button, setting the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. Then we can tap on check mark, and here we can edit the alarm a bit further. We can turn it on or off. We can change the time again. We can change the repeat option, basically how often the alarm should repeat, and we have only once, every day, or custom. And here you can select specific days. For example, let's select every Monday and Friday. And once you're done, you can scroll down right here. So basically you need to go back to the edit page, scroll down and tap on the check mark to save your alarm. And here we have it. We can turn it on or off. We can tap on it to edit it if you want it. If you want to edit the alarm, you can also create multiple alarms if you want to have more than one. To remove the alarms, simply tap on the alarm and tap on the X to remove it, like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the side button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.